Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Oh, it's really cold out today. But I'm in the shop anyway. I haven't turned the heater on yet. Because I wanted to show you guys this. I got this at a little flea market. It's a vintage Craftsman. It's a Craftsman center punch. But it's swedged pretty bad, you know. So I was going to put it on the lathe here. Take this swedge off. Alright, let me set it up and I'll be right back. Alright folks, let's see what we can do with this thing. Just going to see if we can take some of that swedge off there. No. Gotta be kind of careful here. It's pretty hard. That's not too bad. Face it. Well, we have it in here. See if we can get a little better finish on it. It ain't gonna matter because it's gonna be hit by a hammer anyway. Chatter. Looks like we're a little low here. There we go. Maybe. Just want to take that little nib off there. There it is. Alright, perfect. That's not bad at all. Well, it's running though. I'm going to run the wire brush on it. See if we can get some of the garbage off there. Price tags. You know, all the things. See if we can get some of the... If this don't work too good, that's alright. I got a little bench grinder with a wire brush on it that I can run it on. Just doing what in my hand. Hope you guys are having a happy new year. Everything's fine here on my home front. So far so good. And it will be. Because God is blessing us. And hope He's blessing y'all. Oh, that looks pretty good. Let's take it out. Not bad. Yeah, at least you can see Craftsman on it now, maybe. Yeah. Hopefully you can see it. I can see it. It needs a lot more cleaning up, but got the swedge off. And we got an actual good head on it now. So now I'm going to see if I can clean it up more with the bench grinder and sharpen it up. We'll bring you back. Hang on. Well, there it is, guys. Let's pull it out of there. That's pretty darn nice right there. Got a fine point on it. Yeah, I didn't get it too hot. I tried not to. So what we're going to try to do though is heat it up just a little bit on the tip and put it in some used oil, motor oil, and make that a little harder. And then, but yeah, that is a vintage I'd say 60s or 70s Craftsman center. Nice. 75 cents, guys. Yeah, got it for 75 cents. Not bad. Not bad at all. Another tool save. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Love y'all. Bye-bye.